Alright folks, we're out here in what's known the wind vortex of Illinois. I don't know if you can hear how windy it is. See if I can show you. Can you see? See, it's probably blowing out right now, but we'll try to get you. There we go. This is what I'm dealing with today. This is all this wind. It's super windy. Turn you back there. Alright, so I had an awesome video planned for today. I'm going to show you some cool new things, but it's going to make it awful hard to do. I'm not going to lie. Hold on, I'm trying to get my face in the thing here. There it goes. Alright, I have some cool things to do to show you, some tools and stuff. Have to do a hot dog video, so we're still going to try to do a hot dog video, but this is going to make it awful tough. So we've been met with a challenge here today, folks. Heck of a challenge. I'm trying to light the charcoal now. I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna go for it. So let's go. Let's hopefully get this thing lit. Oh no, the rain is blowing in now. How awesome. Hopefully we're gonna get something accomplished today. I don't know. We'll see what happens, I guess. But you know, grill's lit. I gotta get some things prepared, and then we'll do us a hot dog video today. So as long as my camera decides to work, it doesn't want to focus on my face today for some reason. But anyway, enough about that. Let's get going. All right, we're gonna do this. There's still a little wind coming through here, but you know, we're gonna try to push through here. Got a bunch of hot dogs, whole package of hot dogs here. This is the first little toy I'm gonna show you. Can't get the light right. Anyway, little toy here. This is gonna be cool, I think. We're gonna try it. Put a hot dog down here, and then we're just gonna push down on it, supposedly, and then it makes the like perfect little marks. Can you see it? Looks kind of cool, huh? Let's see, we'll flip it over and we'll do it again. I don't know if you can do it twice, but oh, you can do it twice. How awesome is that? That's pretty cool. Alright, we'll get the rest of them. That's so cool. Can I do two at a time? Think we can do two at a time? It's a little tougher that way. Oh, you can do two at a time. Two at a time works. Make sure I get it centered. That's cool. Alright, so once again, sorry, real windy. That's my new hot dog roller. What do you think about that bad boy? We're gonna go throw some hot dogs on it. Let's try that. Alright. We're gonna throw these bad mama jammas on here. We're gonna do about 4 and 4, I think. We'll put 4 on, and then we'll put 4 on. Here we should do this. Let's switch them over. There we go. And now put one more. Alright, then we're going to take this little tool here, and we're supposed to just be able to roll it back and forth. It's not really rolling. Oh, there it goes. I think as it warms up it'll roll. No? Maybe not? Well, this might be a bust, fellas. Not sure how to get that to roll any better. Let me just do it by hand. There's to roll it. Well, I don't see how this is supposed to work. Alright, we'll keep... Maybe we should try it this way. Will it work better if I try it this way? Oh, there we go. There, it's actually rolling it. Well, maybe. Gotta work this way. Wow. I've seen this work in the video. Doesn't really roll it though. That's some crap. Maybe once it warms up, the skin comes a little harder, maybe it'll roll better. Alright, we'll let it cook for a minute. Well, then we'll try it. And it's starting to work. I don't know. I was super excited for this. Alright, so I think I figured this out. Okay, gotta do it. Like the things are going this way, the grill grate's going this way, we're kind of going at an angle. And these are already starting to cook, so they're starting to roll better. I don't know if you can see that. Let's try it. Alright, let's try it. Can you see it? Can you see it rolling? They're rolling. Also, we need to move them over just a tad. Oops, too much. Alright, look at that. And now they're starting to roll. Now we're going to get a good cook on these bad boys. They're rolling now. Woo, doggy. Alright, put the lid back on. Alright, this is going to be more complicated than I think it's worth here, but let's try to pull these off. Look at that! Doesn't that look cool? Alright. Oop. Let's spread that out a little bit. Let's take a fork here. We're just going to kind of spread that out. Spread it down in there. There we go. We don't want to overdo it on the relish now. You don't want to overdo it on your condiments here. And then we'll just take, if I can get it to come out of there. There we go. Not coming out of there very good. Doesn't look that great, does it? Because I didn't do it very well, but that's okay. I mean, oh, I got it all over my hand. Gosh. I was trying to make this look good for you, but here, look at that. I messed that all up, didn't I? Alright. Real quick, let's take a bite of this, and we'll end this video. Oh, man. It tastes like a hot dog. Tastes like your normal, all-American hot dog. And by the way, no, this is not on my diet. I'm only going to eat a couple bites and I'm giving these to the kids because I can't eat all this. This is going to mess me up bad. But one more. So good. Alright, giving these to the kids. Alright guys, that is it for me. That's it for this week's video. I'm going to throw some burgers on here. The burgers are going to be mine. That's what I'm eating for the next couple days is a bunch of burgers. So that is on my diet. Just the burger patty. That's it. That is the only thing I'm having. That's what's on my diet. Just a burger patty. And so I'm going to get those cooked up for myself. And then that way I have something to eat. So anyway, hit the like, subscribe button. Click down below in the description box there. There should be a link. And it'll take you to on my Facebook, Instagram, the Butts and Stuff podcast, all that stuff. So click the link. Go hit me up on Instagrams and Facebooks and stuff. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace. Love you. Bye.